you in the community come down to the plaza area after this meeting to help celebrate the milestone and commemoration of Peace Plaza. A few updates from a construction perspective. There are a few things that we're working on. Punch list, we're very similar to other projects, just finishing up a few things. There's some substandard pavers that are in the plaza area that are being removed and updated, so it's something to be aware of. And then the catenary light system, there's been some delays with that in design and supply chain. And so those pieces will be coming later this summer. We're working with the Rochester Downtown Alliance and other organizations down there to determine the time to install them to have the least amount of impact on their businesses during the busy summertime. So it should be installed late this summer.
Can we just take, excuse me,
Yeah.
Member Girls, just take 1 minute to describe what that actually looks like?
The catenary system, of course. So the catenary system, and as you go down there today, you'll see some beautiful art boxes, and those boxes are actually covering the bases of the catenary poles. The poles are about 50 feet in height. They're designed that way so that the lighting does not fight the lights of the Chateau Theater. They're meant to complement it. The other thing that I would have you look at is there's beautiful geometric planters all around the site, and the catenary system actually reflects those planters. They're designed in that way. So it's a very geometric type web that'll be above 50 feet in the air that will provide light, which draws attention, but also safety, our safety goals as well.
Thank you.
All right. The next update that I just wanted to provide quickly is the last time we were together, we talked about the post-occupancy analysis. This slide is from that last time. We want to continue to learn about how we're doing, and we also want to take that information and apply it to other projects. As you know, and we'll hear about today, we've already taken what we've learned from Harvest City and applying it to Discovery Walk, also applying it to lessons in the riverfront and the Broadway project. We want to use this to continue to understand how we can improve the space as needed as well. So we've made some progress in this area. The first thing that our team did is we evaluated a variety of different approaches and options to how to get this work done. And essentially where we're at today is we're evaluating a proposal from GAL. You may be familiar with that organization. They're really well known for urban design and research consultancy. So that'll be exciting work to move forward. Next steps are we're prioritizing the data that we need to review. We're getting that information gathered. We'll start to build a strategy of how to use it and bring in some partners to help us understand how do we want to apply it. And determine the indicators that will form future programming. So how can we continue to improve the space as we go forward? And that concludes my presentation.
Additional questions? Member Carlson. Great work. It's really important to learn what we're doing well, what can be improved, how people are interacting with and experiencing that space. One thing I really hope as we think about investing in this work with GAL, that we build a framework for evaluation going forward. So every project we are just it's just in the mix that we are doing evaluation and learning and growing and improving all the way.
Thank you.
Additional comments, questions? Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you. See you shortly.
Patrick.
Thank you. Thank you, Jane.